Hello, my name is Maarten Wings. Thank you for visiting us here at ISE 2023. I am excited to talk about our product Praesensa, public address and voice alarm system. So what we are showcasing here today on the ISE is that we have a campus setup with multiple buildings, and each of these buildings can contain one of the Praesensa systems. And as you obviously know, we also had a previous system which was called Presidio. The Presidio system is actually being now replaced with Praesensa, and in order to make an interoperability between both of the systems, we have a new product which is called the PXI-CORE edge device, which allows you to interface both Praesensa and Presidio to make sure that you get a combined system for your campus setup or single building. So thank you all for visiting us. Go to our website, boschsecuritysystems.com, and hope that you find more information there about this great product.